Before we start, I pre-did the tape here on the left. I put a piece of duct tape on all three of these. So if you'll notice, the first one is Shane's in the middle. This one here.
What was Shane's? What was Shane's?
Shane's was a generic.
Oh, that's a generic.
And I apologize, it was right. This was the Purdy Colossus. This is the generic. It's still releasing some materials. On the far end is the Marathon, made by Purdy. This goes to show you qualities of roller covers and what's going to be left in your paint. If you catch it on an angle on the side.
Not really anything off that. It's
nothing
pretty good.
on that one.
That's a what?
With
That's
that
an inch and a
thick
quarter
nap. Wow.
See, I tight wound that thing with duct tape. It just shows the differences of what's going to actually end up in your paint if you don't using a quality roller cover.
So I'm not going to load this one up because this roller is not for this
That's what I
application.
did it for. For that very reason.
This is going to be for brick, stucco.
Y'all catch that? And I did that specifically. I wanted to show y'all what happens when you use a wrong roller cover on the.
Do you want them to go ahead and load it up anyway? You see what it looks like.
Starting out, everything is designed, the roller cover thicknesses are designed for the application that you're doing. So the more texture you have, obviously the thicker coverage you want to go. The one Justin has on the end would be for heavy, porous, stucco block brick, where you're trying to get in. Durability is not really a factor. Olivia down here has a 3/8 cover, which is designed for smoother applications like slick walls. 3/4, actually she's got a 3/4, Shane's got a 3/8.
A 3/8 generic,
On how they're
3/4 Purdy.
I got the beforehand of each one too.
Oh, did you?
But y'all notice, look at Olivia's, the finish that Olivia's getting. Creating like a little bit of an orange peel stipple.
Yeah.
Y'all noticing that? But you look at Shane's.
Shane's is a little more smooth.
On Shane's and Olivia's.
Her coverage. Yeah, I can see the little orange peel. Shane's a little smoother.
Look, when you apply with a roller, when you're applying with a roller, your paint, you get your paint on there. When you're applying with a roller, your paint, you get your paint on there. You roll it off the edge to even your paint out on your nap. And then when you're getting ready to paint, this is a fresh wall right here. We're going to start this way and move to the right. You give yourself a couple of nap area, per se, like this. And you're going to make a V or a W. It depends on how big your nap, how much paint it holds. But the proper way to roll is you start with a W.
Follow and subscribe for more.